Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. So we all have come across this new scheme, which is your PM Internship Scheme 2024. We know in the budget also, government का बहुत ज़्यादा focus था on this employment thing, internship thing. तो इसके लिए a lot of PM packages were also being announced. तो उन्हीं PM packages के basis पे एक hint तो मिल ही गया था that such kind of a scheme will be there जो internship पे focus करेगी, apprenticeship पे focus करेगी. So that's what is out. Let's have a look what is there in this scheme. So first of all, it's the PM Internship Scheme 2024. It's basically to develop or to have this Viksit Bharat where the youths are being empowered. So how many youths they want to focus? They want to focus 1 crore youth. Launch date 3rd of October 2024. Internship opportunities 1 crore youth across 500 top companies. What about the monthly stipend? 5,000 rupees they'll be given. The portal for registration for this internship would be on 12th of October. It will be opened. And what all sectors they are covering? They are covering manufacturing sector. They are also covering service sector and various other sector if at all Ministry of Corporate Affairs wants it to be there. But then let's focus on certain specific themes, like things regarding to the scheme. But before moving any further, guys, if you have yet not started your preparation or you have yet not started the mocks, giving mocks of phase 2, then RBI and NABARD mocks are there within this batch. If you want more descriptive writing practice, then you have a specific batch which talks about all the descriptive writing stuff. But let's first focus on major themes of the scheme. First of all, ये scheme कौन से ministry की है? That is important. The scheme is of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. इसका design क्या है? They are focusing upon internship opportunities for young people, basically addressing the youth unemployment that is too much prevalent in India. अब aim क्या है? The aim is very simple. They want to tackle youth unemployment and at that time also the on-job training to unemployed youth across India. It was launched as a part of the larger effort where the government wants to bridge the gap between formal education and the practical skills. तो क्या था, इंडस्ट्री की हमेशा एक कंप्लेन रहती है कि कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट करके तो आ जाते हैं बट दे डू नॉट नो द वेरी बेसिक्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. तो दैट्स वेयर गवर्नमेंट वांट्स टू हैव दिस ब्रिज, क्योंकि आप कॉलेज में बैठ के शायद से फॉर्मल एजुकेशन के साथ साथ प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स एक्वायर नहीं कर सकते. सो व्हाई नॉट हैव दिस इंटर्नशिप काइंड ऑफ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. Objective क्या है? This is important. 1 crore internships by March 2029. So that means I can simply say it's the scheme for 5 years. It is going to start with a pilot project in December 2024 involving 1.25 lakh of interns. Pilot project का मतलब ये है अगले साल December 2025 में they are going to reassess it. और अगर इसमें थोड़े बहुत कुछ changes की requirement होगी so they will make some important changes into it. तो मतलब ये 1 साल का टाइम है जिसमें 1.25 लाख इंटर्न्स विल बी ट्रेन्ड. देखा जाएगा कि 1 साल बाद, क्योंकि 12 महीने की ट्रेनिंग है इसमें, तो 1 साल बाद उनको कहाँ जॉब मिलती है, वॉज इट रियली बेनिफिशियल, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट कम हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ, और इफ सम चेंजेस आर रिक्वायर्ड तो दैट विल ऑल्सो बी मेड. Now, who all are eligible? कौन eligible है? So first thing is regarding the age between 21 to 24 years. Next thing is education. They should not be enrolled in any full-time course. So they can be a applicant which have higher secondary education. Class 10th pass हो तो भी चलेगा. Class 10th or higher they can be there. They can hold a certificate from ITI, Polytechnic, diploma holder हो सकते हैं, या फिर BA, BSc, BCom. Simply बोलो तो graduate हो सकते हैं, but only graduates. And that too नॉट एम्प्लॉयड फुल टाइम. कहीं पे भी उनका एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्टेटस फुल टाइम का नहीं होना चाहिए. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कौन ऑल एलिजिबल नहीं है? तो ऐसे फैमिलीज जिनकी ईयरली इनकम पर एनम इनकम इट्स मोर देन 8 lakhs, और अगर वो किसी गवर्नमेंट जॉब में है, उनके फैमिली मेंबर कोई भी. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट हु ऑल आर नॉट एलिजिबल. सो फर्स्ट थिंग, कोई भी फुल टाइम एम्प्लॉयड होगा तो एलिजिबल नहीं होगा. इनफैक्ट अगर कोई फुल टाइम एजुकेशन में भी है तो भी नहीं, लाइक यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल. कैंडिडेट्स एनरोल्ड इन ऑनलाइन और डिस्टेंट लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स वो एलिजिबल है. जैसे होता है ना, कई बार कोई डिस्टेंट लर्निंग से अपनी ग्रेजुएशन करता है, तो अगर वो उस तरह का कॉन्सेप्ट है देन दे आर एलिजिबल. बट येस, फुल टाइम नॉट एलिजिबल. अब अगर कोई ग्रेजुएट IIT में है, IIM में है, नेशनल लॉ NLU नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी में है, आईसर में है, NIDs में है, आपके ट्रिपल ITs में है, देन दे आर ऑल्सो नॉट एलिजिबल बिकॉज जस्ट अ बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग, इनके पास वैसे ही बहुत एक्सपोजर है, यहाँ ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी कंपनीज आती हैं, इनका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वैसे ही बहुत एडवांस है, सो मे बी गवर्नमेंट हैज थॉट दैट इनको रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज candidates with advanced qualifications such as CA, CMA, CS. So basically they are stressing upon those degrees जो कि professional degrees हैं. ऐसे professional degrees वालों को भी government feels it's not required. Apart from this, अगर कोई MBA करा हुआ है, PhD करा हुआ है और कोई भी और master's degree, that is PG candidates, they are also not eligible. So only and only graduates will be eligible under the scheme. Candidates undergoing any skill, apprenticeship, internship or training program which can be under a center or a state government shall also not be eligible. तो कोई भी अगर skill development and entrepreneur apprenticeship, internship already कर चुका है किसी भी state या central government की scheme में, then they are also not eligible. इसके अलावा if you remember, we had done NATS and NAPS, National Apprenticeship Training Scheme and National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme. अगर कोई ऑलरेडी यहाँ इसका बेनिफिट ले चुका है देन ऑल्सो दे आर नॉट एलिजिबल. ऐसी कैंडिडेट्स जिनकी फैमिली मेंबर्स की इनकम इट एक्सीड्स 8 लाख, दे आर ऑल्सो नॉट एलिजिबल. Candidates will not be eligible if any of his family member, maybe self, maybe parents, or maybe the spouse, is a permanent or a regular government employee. It excludes your contractual employee. तो अगर कोई मान लो आपका पेरेंट्स कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल एम्प्लॉय है विद इन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, देन इट्स अलाउड, अदरवाइज नॉट. यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय का मतलब क्या है? चाहे स्टेट में काम कर रहे हो, चाहे सेंटर के साथ काम कर रहे हो, चाहे कोई यूटी गवर्नमेंट में किसी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पोस्ट पे हो, और चाहे किसी पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग में हो, इट कैन बी अ सेंट्रल और अ स्टेट PSU, कोई स्टैट्यूटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और समवेयर और दी अदर लोकल बॉडीज है, मान लो पंचायती राज में कुछ लिंकेजेस हैं, like they are a permanent employee over there, so they are also not eligible. I hope you can understand this. Okay, one question from my side. Tell me, international candidates allowed होंगे क्या? मान लो कोई international candidate है, he is only 10th pass, he is looking for job, he comes to India and enroll himself in PM Internship Scheme. Is it allowed? US का बच्चा है, 10वीं पास है, 10th पास है, he wants to come and join PM internship. Is it allowed? No, this is not allowed. Anyways, अब benefits क्या है? See, government is not only focusing upon having this internship being done, लोगों को बुलाना पड़ेगा, तो उसके लिए एक financial incentive देना बहुत जरूरी है, and that's what this internship benefits will do. So what the government will be doing it? सबसे पहले तो monthly stipend will be of 5,000 rupees. As the course duration is of 12 months, it cannot be higher. तो एक कोर्स स्पेसिफिकली 12 महीने तक चलेगा. दिस इज द मैक्सिमम ड्यूरेशन ऑफ एनी कोर्स. मंथली स्टाइफंड कितना होगा? 5,000 रुपीज, जिसमें से 500 रुपी इट विल बी गिवन एज अ CSR फंडिंग. तो जो टॉप 500 कंपनीज हैं जिनको चूज किया है, उनमें से उनके CSR के पोर्शन में से एवरी कैंडिडेट को 500 रुपीज वुड बी गिवन, एंड रेस्ट 4,500 द गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू गिव. Now, when I talk about CSR funding, can you please tell me under which act is your CSR funding being defined? This is your homework question. Tell me in the comment section below under which act and under which section. What is the act and what is the number of the section under which your CSR funding is defined. Next thing is a one-time financial support of 6,000 will also be provided for incidental expenses. Not only this, they will also provide insurance coverage. So government is saying under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, the insurance coverage will also be given to the candidates. One more thing, premium pay करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The premium will be paid by the government. So 436 or 20 rupees, whatever the premium is for both the schemes, it will be paid entirely by the government. Candidates को pay करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now you might be having this question. Will I be sitting in a classroom during the internship? आप internship करा रहे हो तो क्या classroom में बैठ के internship करी जाएगी? Like, you know, the regular classroom study that is there. So the FAQ of this scheme already have said that at least half of the internship, जैसे मैंने बोला 12 months is the maximum internship period. At least half means 6 months must be spent in actual working experience or job environment and not in classroom. बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल क्लासरूम स्टडी तो वो ऑलरेडी कॉलेज से करके आए हैं या क्लास 10th 11th 12th में करी है. Whatever is lacking is basically the scheme is there to bridge between the formal education and what skill is actually required. So at least 6 months ke liye internship should be provided, on job internship. A significant duration of internship shall focus on real world experience in professional setups. Now, internship दे देंगे, क्या जॉब गारंटी कर रहे हैं? तो नहीं. While the scheme does not guarantee a job upon completion, knowledge, practical experience and professional networks will definitely help you out. Professional networks तो बन ही जाते हैं ना. If you are working with a company maybe like Microsoft, which is one of the 500 companies which is being listed, तो obviously आपके connects बनेंगे, and then you can use your connections and your work which you have done during the internship. तो generally ऐसा होता है, कुछ candidates सही में बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं and companies do want to retain them. So there also you can show your expertise and get yourself a job. But कोई job guaranteed नहीं है. अब application process कैसे है? So I have told you 12th of October से application process will be out. So you have this portal of Ministry of Corporate Affairs where you can go, get yourself registered, submit all the required documents. They are going to automatically generate a resume which will be created based on the information that you are providing at each step, and then candidate can apply for at least 5 opportunities. Now, what are the partner companies? As I have told you, top 500 companies have been selected. They have been selected based on their CSR spending in the last 3 years. So last 3 सालों में what is their CSR spending, and if at all other companies also want to voluntary basis पे they can also join. But yes, Ministry of Corporate Affairs की like approval is required. At the same time, when I talk about the companies that are involved, you can just open the website and see the list of 500 companies. But then हमें सब कुछ तो पढ़ना नहीं है. So you can just imagine Adani is there, HP is there, Tata Steel is there, Cognizant is there, Vedanta, Kotak, Microsoft. So these are the companies that are already on this platform. Otherwise, who is going to monitor the scheme? So the success of the pilot project, as I've told you, December 2025 तक they are going to see that सही में scheme result show कर रही है कि नहीं कर रही. Like they are going to see कि dropout rates क्या हुए हैं. If at all there are some grievances, मान लो किसी ने 12 महीने की ट्रेनिंग तो ले ली, but उसको जॉब मिल रही है नहीं मिल रही. What happens to the employment rate after this internship, this 1 year of internship? So they are going to see everything, and based upon this, future expansion of the scheme will be there. Next is, so this also shows that how the government is very much flexible. Government ने ये नहीं कहा कि 5 साल के लिए these are the guidelines. Government is saying we'll try to evolve as and when whatever is required. Next is potential impact. तो देखो ये advantages ही कह सकते हो. What government feels can be there. एक तो सबसे पहले आपको practical experience हो जाएगा. So it is going to bridge the gap which is between the formal training and formal education that we are getting in colleges and schools and what the industry is actually asking for. इसके अलावा financial support, obviously 6,000 rupees one time and 5,000 rupees as a stipend will be given monthly. So again, that's a kind of a financial support. Next is career opportunities. After all, when you are going to these companies, these are the top 500 companies. These are big companies. यहाँ पे जाके you can create your own networks. You can talk to people. You can gain a lot of experience over there in these 12 months, if at all they are used wisely. So, you know, it is going to have a very potential positive impact on your career. But then, are there any setbacks? या फिर critics, if they are seeing something which can definitely be improved, then as of now, there are 2 challenges, or there will be 2 challenges. First of all, ये टॉप 500 कंपनीज तो जहां पे तो लोकेटेड होंगी, देखो वहां के आसपास के लोग या फिर स्टूडेंट्स 5,000 रुपए में 5,000 रुपीज में दे कैन कम एंड दे कैन डू द इंटर्नशिप. बट व्हाट अबाउट दोज रीजन्स टिपिकली और बिहार एंड अदर जहां पे इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन इज स्टिल लैकिंग, वहां पे इंडस्ट्रीज नहीं है, इतनी इंडस्ट्रीज नहीं है कि इंटर्नशिप प्रोवाइड कर पाए. तो क्या ये लोग 5,000 रुपीज के लिए रीलोकेट होना चाहेंगे? वन बिग क्वेश्चन. The scheme must focus on providing technical skills, modern workplace skills. Like they also have to be given some soft skills. मान लो कल वो इंटरव्यू में जाके बैठते हैं, so they should be given some kind of a soft skill so that they can interact in the interview sessions. थोड़े बहुत डिजिटल स्किल्स दे आर ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. मान लो कहीं उन्होंने इंटर्नशिप करी है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर में, उसके बाद दे वांट टू स्विच टू सर्विस सेक्टर, तो डिजिटल स्किल्स की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. सो इसमें भी ट्रेनिंग देना बहुत जरूरी है. सो ऑल इन ऑल द चैलेंज विल बी हाउ टू हैव देम like all-round development can be there, so that has to be ensured. But then I would say second wale point pe to fir bhi you can have a good curriculum. But if I talk about the first challenge, that is one thing that government has to look upon. But then let's see what will be the way out of it. But this is your homework question again. So you have two homework question. एक तो comment section में CSR initiative के बारे में बताना, under which section, under which act do you mention we have this CSR initiative mentioned over there. And then you also try to solve this question. Consider the following statements in the context of PM internship scheme. These are the 4 statements. Choose the incorrect statement and then comment down in the comment section below what will be the correct answer. With this, on all the courses, be it your RBI for 2025, be it your NABARD, SEBI, IFSCA, IRDAI, for all the regulatory exams, you have 47% off going on till 8th of October. So if you want, you can get yourself enrolled. That's all from my side. If you feel that the session was helpful, do hit the like button. Thank you and have a nice day.